Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A. Setting up your Verizon Wi-Fi extender is quick and simple. First, let's cover your wireless pairing. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your Verizon Internet gateway and wait for a solid yellow light. Hold the WPS button on the extender for 3 seconds, then press the WPS button on your gateway within 2 minutes. Both devices will blink blue while pairing, and once the extender shows a solid white light, you're all set. You can then move it to the area where Wi-Fi is weak, adjusting placement until the indicator stays white. For a wired setup, just connect the extender to your router with an internet cable, plug it in, wait for the light to turn solid white. This may take a few minutes. Once complete, your extender is ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.